হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ডস, আজ আমরা কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্স ডিসেম্বর 2021 সেট 2 নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। মোট 20টি কোশ্চেন আছে এবং আনসার আছে, অত্যন্ত গুরুত্বপূর্ণ। লেটস মুভ টু দ্য ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেন। দ্য ইন্ডিয়া ইয়াং ওয়াটার প্রফেশনাল program has been launched for the first time in association with which country? Correct answer, Australia. Next, which word has been chosen as the 2021 Word of the Year by Merriam-Webster? Correct answer should be vaccine. Next question. Saurabh Ghoshal is associated with which sport? Answer, squash. Next question. Which state's tourism department launched the street sustainable, tangible, responsible, experiential ethnic tourism project? Correct option should be Kerala. Next, Guru Purab is the celebration of birth anniversary of which Sikh Guru? This is the most important question. Correct answer, Guru Nanak. Next, which state has implemented a PPP model for rescue and rehabilitation of lepers? PPP model. PPP means public-private partnership. So the correct option should be Gujarat. Next, which country has detected avian influenza outbreak and decided to cull over 1 million chicken? This is also the most important question. Correct answer, Japan. Next, Balsnehi child-friendly police stations which was seen in the news recently was inaugurated in which city? Correct option, Pune. Next, which country has become the first in the West to approve coronavirus vaccine for mass production? Answer, UK, United Kingdom. Next, when is the International Day of Persons with Disability observed? Correct option, December 3rd December. Next, which country has eliminated per country cap on employment based immigration visas? Correct option, USA, United States of America. Next question. 3RF plan prepared by World Bank, the European Union and UN is intended to help which country? Correct option, Lebanon. Next, India has signed a memorandum of understanding with which country in the field of intellectual property cooperation? Correct option, USA, United States of America. Next, Hanukkah is a celebration held every year by which group of population? Hanukkah. Correct answer, Jews, Yehudi. Next, which Indian has been named as the new CEO of Twitter in 2021? CEO is full form, Chief Executive Officer. Correct answer, Parag Agarwal has been named as the new CEO of Twitter in 2021. Next, Hunar Haat is organized by which ministry, has received silver medal at the India International Trade Fair 2021? Correct answer, Ministry of Minority Affairs. Next, who has been awarded as the best actor male at the Brix Film Festival? Correct answer, Dhanush. Next, which union ministry set up a three-member committee to review the criteria for economically weaker section EWS reservations? Very important questions. Correct answer, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Next, when is the Day of Remembrance for all victims of chemical warfare observed every year? Correct answer, November 13th November. Next question, and this is the last question. Which country won the Davis Cup title in 2021? Correct answer should be Russia. Thank you.